interesting color. I don't know what we would even call this, but it's like this brownish, purplish. Looks kind of cool. I like it. I don't know about those wheels, but I guess there's people who like those. So big rotors, calipers. I would think they might be bigger, but looks like a 4-piston. I think they could have put a 6 in there. It's an M4 after all. 2-piston in the back. I don't know. I think like the M3s better the way they look. Unless there's like higher trims M4 that can look a little nicer or something, like more sportier or beefy or cooler. But I don't know. M4 badge. Sporty design on the mirrors. Thin. I'm guessing antenna. Carbon fiber roof style. I don't know if it's real or not, but looks sweet. Sexy seats, of course. Stitches all around. Steering wheel up there. Seat belts like I showed you earlier. Let's pop the engine and look in there. No sunroof, and this one at least. Hood, trunk. Let's take a peek. Cool headlights. Okay, so just like the M3 I drove last couple weeks, you gotta pop the hood release twice for it to open. So here's the engine bay. Cool carbon fiber strut bar. Sounds weird. I don't know if that's supposed to sound like that, like a little ticking, if you can hear it. But I guess that's how this one sounds. Or runs fine. Power's there. Cool looking car. But for the money, I would find something nicer, in my opinion. No buttons to close automatically, so maybe this is just like a basic M4. Maybe there's nicer ones. Quad exhaust tips. Okay guys, 2019 M4. Cold start. Let's see how she sounds. Push start over there. Not loud, I think it's just all stock. Hear the exhaust. Sounds cute. Nothing too loud, just sporty. 6 seats and 4 badging. Let's buckle up, go for a drive. Oh, check out these seat belts. I love the M style stitching on it. Oh, even the back ones have it as well. Stitch the same over here. By the brake. SMG. I think it's called still. Okay, so D over there. Wooden D. Okay, let's go. Bunch of buttons. A bunch of options. I'll show you a few. Nice carbon fiber style trim all over. Of course, paddle shifters. Bulky steering wheel, in my opinion. Lane assist buttons over there. Cool mirrors. Exquisite, exotic looking. Let's press these buttons and see if we can find sport mode, or let's click the steering wheel. Sport plus. We'll keep it Sport plus. Let's click this traction, see if it makes it any better. I'm gonna give it full acceleration right here. Okay, yeah, too much spins. There's a car behind me, so I want to behave. Sounds cool. Shifts fast. The tires are too cold, so let's warm them up a little more before we step on it from the dig. So let's throw it in reverse, see how that looks. Camera comes on. Back in D. Spins. Ooh, sketchy. It's pretty cold outside too, like maybe 40 degrees or less. So she slides a little bit. But fun. Bust a U we go again, eh? Some water, so let's see if we can slip a little. Yeah, she's spinning. Shoot, still spins. A lot of power. Low profile tire, so I think it's a little less traction like that, especially when it's wet, cold out. So pretty fun. I think you can really have some fun in this on an open track, like go drifting or sliding or something if you're that rich, that baller. Reverse. Cool. Let's try again. D over there. Good. And I feel the power like all the way through from, I think, like basically in all RPMs, just it's all there on tap. I don't have to wait for it, it just flies. Put a good torque to it. Hey guys, check out this one. Interesting paint job or a wrap, whatever there is, but it looks kind of cool. M3. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm a car dealer. We do a lot of test drives, reviews, sports cars. So subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.